I don't know. I couldn't find anything on it. I think it'll work. I'm not entirely sure. I'm kind of scared. I'm not really scared. Just nervous that it's not going to work. Is that the same thing? I think this is all legit. Yikers. Let's play that song. Alright, piece of jank. Is that going in? Maybe it doesn't need this backplate? It seems like this backplate ain't gonna. Yeah, we've already stickied it up. Oh, jeez. I just don't think this and this is gonna be compatible, but it needs something to screw into, right? I mean, that's not threaded. Okay, stand by. They do screw in. Just gotta get it like just right. Okay, we're back in business, ladies and gentlemen. All right. We can do it. We can do it. Save your rejoicing for the final countdown. So before you guys get super excited about RGB, and maybe you're already there, I don't know. We do not have RGB fans today. The RGB fans, I think I mentioned in another video. This might be a playlist, so maybe you've already watched it. If not, go check them out. I'll be here when you're done. Or don't, I mean, that's a lot of unboxings. Alright, we're doing it like diagonally, right? So we don't get too much tension on one side and not the other. Come on, go in there. They're like spring loaded, right? So it's kind of weird. Like, that one's in, but anyway, back to the RG and the B. RGB fans are stupid expensive. Like, we're talking $20, $30 for like one fan? That's just nuts, dude. It's like $100 for a pack of 3 on sale. I mean, come on. They know their audience, I suppose, is willing to spend a lot. Let's not get these too tight. Don't want to bow the motherboard. Oh, that sounds good. Sounds real good. Okay. I think we're doing it. Obviously, I know we're doing it. Obviously, I knew this was gonna work the whole time. Just have to take off parts of the motherboard. It's no big deal. What I was saying is, RGB fans, I went the cheap route on Amazon. Way more affordable. But they're still shipping. Part of it is because I waited for Black Friday sales. I'm like, maybe Asus will have like a really great fan deal. I'm like, no, even their sales are like, come on, dude. So that's a scary amount of pressure that I'm putting in here. Part of it's just to get that stupid spring down so I can screw it in there. Alright, see, once it's in, it's not so bad, but you gotta like compress the spring to start the thing there. So let's make sure these are all nice and tight and make sure that our board is not flexing, because it's been a while since I've screwed on a heatsink. That looks pretty good. I don't see any bowing. Please be a good route for the fan. So we got 4 pins here. And we got 4 pins here. Nice. There's like pins and headers all over this thing, which is pretty cool. So I'll just look at that. I mean, we'll get the cable routing later. Cool. Crisis averted. Let's put the RAM in. So in the other video, you may have seen that I unboxed this RAM. And one way, if you're an observant individual, you would know that I filmed these in the same day, is that I'm wearing the same stuff. Yeah, I went there. Got a sticker. Like I said, I've never really seen a sticker for RAM, like to put on your box or case. I don't love that, but let's see how these are orientated first. It's kind of feels a little chintzy in there. I mean, it is plastic and metal, like together, hanging out, being buds. Now, something that's fun that I noticed, like in another video I watched recently, is like these tabs only come open on like one side. Previously, like in every other computer I put together, the fans, both of these tabs come open. So it's like a little more foolproof. Also kind of eyeing the motherboard, making sure it's all right. I mean, that's a lot of tension, you know? People just don't hand out tension like that these days. Oh, okay, this is slightly concerning. Please tell me that I don't have to take this. I'm pretty sure I have to take the heatsink off to get the RAM in. Rookie mistake. But such is the life of a small form factor situation. Alright. We're gonna probably cut this part out. Probably. Unless you're watching the extended edition. Now we put the RAM in. Please let this actually clear. Yeah, that looks good to me. Yeah, just snap them on into place. And I don't know, man. It's gonna bother the crap out of me if like we mount this and then you just see that sticker on there. Oh, it's gonna kill me. You're just like, oh, hey, look, it's such a pretty computer. Sticker. All right, can we remove one? Can we remove the sticker? It's gonna be killer if we leave that on there. Cleaned that up a little bit, took that sticker off, took some goop off with just some hand sanitizer. We're back. We are ready to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in like so, and remember the one side here just simply sets in there, and you don't break it because that'd be bad. Hey, wait for it. One side, boom. Make sure that's seated in there real good. And then this side still got the sticker, but it's gonna be covered up. Sneaky. And these RGB babies are gonna be good to go as soon as I get thermal paste on my finger. Keep it cool. Ooh, it's a tight fit. That sound is not the pins, it's the heat sinks scraping against each other. They're thin metal, so they sound kind of funny. Now we can put the heatsink on. Let's fast forward. Okay, we just got the heatsink back on. I must have done it a little bit wrong the first time. It was much easier this time if you just start threading the screw into the bracket that goes behind the motherboard. It's much easier just to like barely start it, and I thought maybe I had, but you know, it's kind of hard to see with it's all black and a little dark. So we got that on there, looking good. And I just realized the AMD logo is kind of covering up the RAM a bit, which I think is stupid because I bought RGB RAM to show it off. So I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it overhangs on there. Let's reseat this thing one more time. All right, here's where we're at. I've reapplied this heatsink like 3 times now. I don't know what parts I'm cutting out, what parts I'm not, but if you look closely, you'll see that there's a it's like a ring of thermal paste. I don't know if you can actually see it or not. Yeah, there you go. It's so that's not good. That's not it's not the way you want to see your thermal paste all over the place. It's coming out the sides. It's gonna get in the fins. We got to reapply the thermal paste, unfortunately, on this brand new processor. That's all right. So we're gonna take a shop towel. Last one actually, got lucky. A little bit of rubbing alcohol, and we're gonna clean up the existing thermal paste. Brand new CPU, never been turned on, at least on my heart. And we're smearing it all over. No! I don't want to get this on the motherboard. This ain't going well.